Usually when people hear the word agriculture, they think it's like sows, cows, and plows, but we've definitely grown our ag program here to be so much bigger. We work so much on like having them not only career ready, because that's part of CTE, but also college ready, offering those college credits to our seniors when they're graduating this year. We just gave up to 43 kids 9 credits through Lynn Benton Community College, and so it is so much more than just our plants and animals when it comes to our ag program here.
I would say that this program really helps people decide what careers they want to go into, because it's something that you get to test out and play with a little bit.
My favorite part of being in ag is all the people I get to hang out with, and like hanging out with my friends, and I guess learning with my friends too, because it's not just like normal school and stuff that maybe you don't want to do. You chose this elective, you chose to do something that you think's fun. So it's a more fun class to collaborate with your friends and peers in.
I would say it definitely teaches you a lot about because most of the core classes at Estacada are just mandatory. All of her agriculture classes are definitely like hands-on, and it's not just sitting in the seat the entire time. Like you come out in the greenhouse, you go on field trips, and it's definitely one of the best classes I've ever taken, best electives.
I think CTE programs are huge for high schools just because the success rate for students is so much higher than your average high school student. The graduation rate is higher. These are kids that are ready to go into the workforce. They're ready to get internships. They're ready to go to college, and they have those skills to be successful in college, and they have connections, right? Because that's the whole point behind CTE, is getting them with industry professionals that they want to be with. And so they have those connections when they get in the real world, and I think that that helps them in the long run.
I think this class is guiding me into what I want to do, is because I want to do something with agriculture teaching, and seeing Miss Willie do like all her classes and teach her classes, that's how I want to teach and like explain agriculture to other students. And I want to be around all of this for the rest of my life. Like, it's so pretty. I get to meet new people. I've got so many new friends from it. Like, I've met connections I don't think I've ever met without agriculture, and through my class I get to be an FFA, which is a big part of my life.
They're helping me because I would like to go in a career like that involves animals, but maybe not a vet, but I'm very involved in like the livestock industry now. So these classes are helping me because I'm learning different skills that I wouldn't learn just at home.
My favorite thing so far since being here at Estacada and teaching ag is just seeing the growth that's happened for all of them. Because when I started here, nobody had any idea kind of what ag was. Nobody kind of knew what FFA was. And now we've gone from like 3 kids being involved to over 30 kids being involved in FFA, and just the excitement that they have in ag, the amount of students that come to me during forecasting right now, they're like, what's the next thing I should do and where should I go next? So just the excitement overall has been huge, and I can't wait to see where it goes next.
It's just really amazing opportunities for students, and then it also gets us out there a little bit more since we do kind of have a smaller school, and I think it just really puts Estacada out there and shows kind of what we're capable of in different areas, and I just really love that.